Hello friends, welcome to Ananda Bhuvanam Golden Sunrise. Indian states. Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, Party INC, Governor Thawar Chand Gehlot. Chief language Kannada, other language English, Urdu, Tulu, Telugu, Tamil, Malayalam, Marathi, Hindi. District Bagalkote, Bengaluru, Urban, Bengaluru, Rural, Belagavi, Ballari, Bidar, Vijayapur or Bijapur, Chamarajanagar, Chikkabalapura, Chikamagaluru, Chitradurga, Dakshina Kannada, Davanagere, Dharwad, Gadag, Kalaburagi, Hasan, Haveri, Kodagu, Kolar, Koppal, Mandya, Mysuru, Raichur, Ramanagara, Shivamoga, Tumakuru, Udupi, Uttara Kannada, Vijayanagar, Yadgiri. Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan, Party CPI-M, Governor Arif Muhammad Khan. Language Malayalam, other language Tamil, Gujarati, English, Tulu, Kannada. District Alappuzha, Ernakulam, Idukki, Kannur, Kasaragod, Kollam, Kottayam, Kozhikode, Malappuram, Palakkad, Pathanamthitta, Thiruvananthapuram, Thrissur, Wayanad. Thank you.